Oo, 1, 2. Usog ka o, tennis mo. Usog ka. Move. 1, 2.
Uy, gamitin ako ito pa. Dito. Hindi mo kasi sinarch yung subject o. Ganun sana. Ginagamit. 10% na lang.
Ano kami nakapila?
Ay, graduating na. Sige pa. Okay, followed by nurse.
Smile! 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 Ayaw smile eh.
Alas mo, alas mo.
Wala. Let's go. Alis ka naman dyan.
Dito pa ako.
Ay, parang baliktad kayo, Daddy.
Baliktad po.
Daddy, doon po kayo sa kabila.
Palit ka na ulit sa picture ko. Ayan. Sa left side kayo yung parents. Ayun o. Okay, dito. Kaya ano wala.
Kabila daw kayo, ma. Share.
Kinder 1. A2.
Halika na. Halika na, Jake. Oh, smile. Congratulations. 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 Congrats, Mayora. Congrats.
Along with their parents and guardians, the esteemed members of the MUM-CLCI School Board, faculty and staff, and of course our distinguished guest speaker. A prosperous morning to everyone. Today marks a significant milestone in our pupils' educational journey as they transition from nursery to kindergarten and from kindergarten to the next phase of their primary education. This is the 76th Moving Up ceremony of the pre-elementary pupils for
Ayun
the
naman daw,
school year
congratulations sa ating mga anak.
2024-2025 with the theme Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. I am Teacher Jonah.
And I am Teacher Michelle.
We will be
to be godly, mature person. Wait lang ako. Tingnan mo nga ngayon yung anak mo. Tingnan mo ako. Sa palagay niyo, kaya niyang hanapin ang buhay na pinagdadaanan mo sa ngayon? What do you think, Mommy? Kaya ng anak mo na hanapin yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon? Wake up! Kung hindi kaya ng anak niyo,
Solomon Ianfe D. Best in Portfolio with honors. English category, first place, school-based readathon contest, Filipino category, champion, Math Quiz Bee, SMAPS Wizard Challenge, best in Math, best in GMRC, best in Learning and Literacy, best in Portfolio,
Ilan daw? Count mo, count. Oh, ilan nga count mo? 1?
Huwaing ka Gabriel D. with high honors.
Oh, ilan? 8.